Okay, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be installing the saddlebag mounts, the correct ones that I ordered that came in yesterday. So we'll take a look at those. So these are the actual mounts that are supposed to be on there. I already kind of fit one up against the one that was over there, and they should fit. I'm not sure why they put the other ones on, but let's go over to the bike and we'll put one of these on. Okay, so there's nothing real complicated about putting these on. You got two bolts up here that screw into the fender trim, and then into the fender itself, and you got one down here. I kind of already loosened these top ones. I don't really think that these are the right bolts because one, you shouldn't have this many washers on it. So at some point I'll have to get the right bolts that go in here. Yeah, I don't know why there's so many bolts, so many washers on here, but these are probably not the correct length, that's why. But we'll just go with it for now, I guess. Having a hard time coming out. So now I don't know if this bottom piece down here is correct because it's the same color as those mounts. So I might have to probably gonna have to loosen the other side first. But, we can put these on for now. And that looks like it's fine. I don't know why the other ones are on there, but let's see if we can get these on. So I'll probably have to loosen the other side maybe first. So let me see what it does on this side. All right, so it is on the top on this side. I'm gonna have to loosen this bottom piece over here, I think. So I can adjust it a little bit. Let's move this up here a minute. Back a little bit. Let's we finish tightening this, and then we'll check one of the bags. Okay, so let's try these out to see how they initially fit. I might have to adjust that a little bit. Yeah, I still have to file this a little bit. It's still a little bit off. But anyway, so that's, you get the cover. So it's a pretty decent, let me see if I can move this over. So it's pretty decent distance from, get rid of that stuff. You know, you see the distance from here to the edge of the guard. So let's try the other side and to see what's going on with the other side. Okay, so here's the other saddle bag mount. I didn't feel the point in recording this. You already saw me do the other one, but let me go get the bag on this side and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so there it is, not touching anymore. Actually, it is hooked in. So that's about a ½ inch away from the guard. Same thing with this one. This one's about a ½ inch. So you can adjust it a little bit, but it was way off before where actually this was in a little bit more and it was hitting. You can see right there where it took some of the chrome off. But anyway, those are the new saddlebag mounts for the inner. Looks like the external ones, you know, are fine, but I'm glad we got those in there anyway now, so it won't be rubbing anymore. And we got the new saddlebags in. We're gonna have to put the emblems on here, and I'll save that for another video, taking those emblems off and putting them on. Okay, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Just a quick one today, just to show you the new mounts that came in and how the bags now look on the bike with the correct mounts. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.